Hello friends, today I will discuss about what is servlet container. Before going to servlet, we need to understand what is servlet container. So servlet container are server-side classes. Why we need server-side classes? If the data come from the browser, to read that data, we need some classes, server-side classes. To run servlet classes, we should require servlet container. Servlet containers in here below, I will draw one diagram. In that diagram, two browsers are there, like Internet Explorer or Chrome. If here in browser one form is there, inside form data available. If you submit your data into the browser, it go to server. Data here mentioning send request to HTTP protocol. If data send, if submit the data into browser, data it will be go through servlet container in the form of HTTP protocols. To HTTP protocol. HTTP protocol, if browser send two types of two-way means data into the browser. First is header and body. Header means query string and body means payload. In this type data it will be go through server container. If data receive container in the form, your container convert this data HTTP servlet request. To read that data, your servlet container convert the HTTP protocol into HTTP servlet request, and it will be go through here servlet classes. There are multiple servlet classes present in servlet container, and in the type it will be go through servlet classes. At the time of response, here mention arrow to response. At the time of response, there is data, it will be converted into HTTP response body and then converted into HTTP protocol and then goes to your browser. In this way, it will be work servlet container. And here is another scenario. Inside servlet, there are multiple classes present. If the request come to browser, how to know servlet which request come from the which class? It will be understand through URL pattern. It will be understanding in servlet. Here one scenario is HTTP : /local host. If your server installed in your local machine, then you are ready type like localhost. Generally your server is another machine and another machine is your application. In this way you can write rather than localhost, you can write that particular PC IP address here and put here port number 8080 slash. It will be default Tomcat port number is 8080. Then enter here servlet name slash and your view name. And press enter into the browser. It will be redirecting your HTML page, redirected into HTML page. In this way it will be work